Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's visit the Wilshire area of Trelawny. We have here a exquisitely designed home with space to stamp your personal touch. It is walking distance to the beach. It is garnished with a beautiful 90-degree ocean view and centrally located between two tourist capitals of Falmouth and Montego Bay. The home is constructed as a three-family home with one large bedroom flat upstairs and two-bedroom flat on the downstairs. The other side is there for you to construct your dream home. Contemporary features include porcelain tiles, granite countertops, and unusual finishes to name a few. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 600,000 or Jamaican $92.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.